Good morning, everyone. Today I am excited to present our technology enhanced language learning activity entitled Enhancing Oral Communication Through Gestures. So, this lesson is designed for ninth grade intermediate English learners to help them develop confidence and effectiveness using the nonverbal communication skills to enhance speech delivery. Now, let's talk about the language skills and target learners. In this activity, our focus is on oral communication, specifically how students can use gestures like hand movements, physical expressions, and body language to convey meaning more effectively. So, these skills is essential for public speaking, presentations, and everyday conversations. Now, our target is are the learners of ninth grade students age 14 to 15 years old who are the intermediate level of English proficiency. And these students also faces a lot of challenges such as first we have here difficulty coordinating gestures with speech. Next is overusing and underusing gestures and lack of confidence in using body language. Now let's proceed to the next part, which is the technology tool selection and justification. So to enhance this learning experience, we integrate two powerful technology tools. First, we have here Flipgrid. So a Flipgrid is a video recording platform that allows students to record, review, and improve their speech delivery and gestures. So peer and teacher feedback help refine their performance. And the next one is the YouTube. So a YouTube is a resource for analyzing professional speakers, helping students understand how effective gestures contribute to clear and engaging communication. So these tools promote self-assessment, peer collaboration, and real-world learning, making lessons interactive and engaging. Now let's talk about the activity design and description. So this structured and engaging activity consists of three stages. First, we have here the pre-activity. It is entitled Gesture Charades. So here the students randomly select a card with an emotion or message. Like for example, the excitement, disappointment, and agreement. So they expresses it using only gestures while the class guesses the meaning. The next one is the main activity. So here, it is what we call observing and applying gestures. So they are going to apply the different gestures. We have here step one is the video analysis. So here the students watch a short clip from TED Talks or public speeches. So they take notes on how speakers use hand movements, facial expressions, and postures. We also have here the guided discussions or questions on that serves as that for them to answer. So here, first we have how do gestures enhance communication? What happens when a speaker does not use gestures? And can gestures sometimes be distracting? So that's it. Now let's proceed to the step two. Here it is what we call expressive speech practice. So the students here choose a short passage or dialogue within 2 to 3 minutes. So they record themselves using the Flipgrid while incorporating gestures. So after that, you're going to have a peer feedback activity. So with partners, review and provide constructive feedback. And the last one is post activity. So here, this part, they are going to revise for the final submission. So the student here, we're going to revise their speech based on the feedback given by their partners. They record their final version and submit it via Flipgrid. So a reflection session follows where they discuss their challenges and improvements. So that's it. The next one is the rationale for technology integration. So integrating technology enhances engagement, accessibility, and self-evaluation. So the Flipgrid enables students to review and refine their gestures through recorded practice. And the YouTube as well provides real-world examples, reinforcing the importance of gestures in communications. So these two tools help develop the 21st century skills such as digital literacy, self-directed learning, and critical thinking. Let's proceed now to the assessment plan. So assessment includes both formative and summative approaches. First, we have here the peer feedback. So here in feedback, the students analyze each other's gestures and provide suggestions for improvement. Number two, the teacher evaluation. So final recorded speeches are graded based on the rubrics assessing the gesture effectiveness, facial expressions, body language, speech fluency, and audience engagement. So a self-reflection survey also allows students to evaluate their own progress and learning experience. Now let me present to you the presentation and integration. So at the end of the activity, the students showcase their recordings, share their learning experiences, and participate in Q&A session. So this allows them to reflect on how gestures improve communication and developing confidence in their speech delivery. All right, so that's it. So now to conclude this all, so through this technology integrated approach, the students gain valuable public speaking skills and learn how to use gestures effectively. So this engaging and structured lesson ensures that students enhance their communication skills in a fun and interactive way. So that's all, and thank you.